Hi, welcome everyone. Thanks for subscribing. My name is Bruce Schwartz. This is from Disclosure Project press conference in the US 2001. This is a photo of Dr. Stephen Greer. On May 9th, 2001, 20 government workers from military and civilian organizations spoke about their experiences regarding UFOs and UFO confidentiality. This was at the National Press Club in Washington, D.C. What is the National Press Club? It's a professional organization and business center for journalists, communications professionals, located also in Washington, D.C. Its membership consists of journalists, former journalists, government information officers, and those considered to be regular news sources. The press conference was initiated by Stephen Greer, founder of the Disclosure Project, which has the goal of disclosing alleged government UFO secrecy. The purpose of the press conference was to build public pressure through the media to obtain a hearing before the United States Congress on the issue. Stephen Greer, born on June 28, 1955, is an American retired traumatologist, physician, and ufologist who founded the Center for the Study of Extraterrestrial Intelligence and the Disclosure Project, which seeks the disclosure of allegedly suppressed UFO information.
Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
X-ray, Sinus Iridum Mountain. Look at the framing in it. We're looking at real, symmetrical, geometrically shaped objects. It's the mountain itself. This isn't a joke. This is Sinus Iridum. This is the very pointy end of the mountain. It's not so pointy. It's more of overlapping layers that are all overlapping one another, and they are connected to one another, and all this surrounded by what looks like either deliberate camo to make this area look like a mountain. The closer you get, you really see that Sinus Iridum is not a mountain. Christina Garau Malpertuis, I can't thank you enough for all the generous donations, for being a part of this amazing community. It's thanks to you guys that this channel is still here. This is photography, high dynamic range processing that I've applied to, this is a real photo just in my town. Look at all the details and the colors and how vivid everything is. By applying this to the surface of the moon, sometimes gives us a lot more detail too. A lot more videos on the way, everyone. Thanks for the support.